Hi, this is Scoggett, and I'm broadcasting from my backyard. And about 30 minutes ago, I went out and checked my mail. There wasn't a cloud in the sky, and now it has really clouded up. It's starting to thunder. We're going to have rain, thunderstorms roll into Tornado Alley. This is my kind of weather right here, let me tell you. This is what we got down here in the backyard. Got a little bit of wind coming up. You can hear those the thunder roaring. Tell you what, this just sprang up like out of nowhere. That's why I love living here. It can be clear blue sky and then next minute it'd be like this, and I'll live for this weather, let me tell you that. Starting to get a few drops of rain here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and in this video, and I thought I saw a lightning flash over there. I'm going to end this video, and I'm going to take it to the front yard, and I'm going to have another video sequel to it. So this is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and y'all take care.